What's up guys, welcome to Crypto Gems, and in this video I will be showing you my 5 high potential tokens that I am currently following, and let's go ahead and check and see their charts to see how they are performing currently. Just a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. So let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Binance. Link will be in the description of the video, so don't worry about those. We will always include those links. That way, when you do your own research and when you go to the websites, you can go ahead and click those links to avoid any phishing websites. Alright, so first things first guys, this is old but gold. It's Bitcoin. Okay, now what's the trend of Bitcoin right now? Just to recall guys, back last year, somewhere around like October or November, it got its all-time high of somewhere around like 69,000 US dollars per Bitcoin. Now it is playing somewhere around 38,379, like 38,000 or so. Okay, resistance is somewhere around here, like 37,700. So it's maintaining its resistance somewhere at that line. It got a little bullish sometime like last month when it got back to like 48,189. So see that rally around there, and then it went back down. It was like a struggle this first quarter and until now, like first quarter including April. Hopefully May will be a better month for all of us, but right now Bitcoin is still one of the best crypto tokens that you guys could check out. Of course, do your own research when you are investing. So right now it's doing sideways, some sort of like a consolidation somewhere around here. Hopefully, you know, when it breaks out bullishly. I'm not really expecting it to go down somewhere near the future right here. It went to as low as 32,917 during its very bearish state. That was like, I think February or so, like January, February, and March. They're saying that all-time high for Bitcoin can reach 100,000 US dollars at the end of this year. I'm not sure if that's gonna happen though. I want to know your comments as well. Leave your comments in the comment section below. We could go ahead and talk about that and like have a healthy conversation with the community. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. Next would be ADA. Okay, let's go ahead and click on ADA, see how it's doing right now. So you see that it did a very good rally. Like how many days ago that was? So see, from somewhere around like $1, it went as high as 3.1. But after that, you know, just like any other coins, one thing I've noticed guys, when Bitcoin, which is the mother coin, goes down, all of the other coins, if not all, majority of the coins go down with it. See, it went down from 3.1, it went back down to now it's 0.78. See that? But this coin guys is a very high potential coin or crypto token. It may or may not break out and go bullish again anytime soon, but this is a really good project. It's Cardano. You can go ahead and do your own research as well and leave your comments below. Tell me what you think about this token, and you know, let's talk about how or what the future of a Cardano is. But you can see here it did a good rally from somewhere around like 0.76, went up to 1.22. It's maintaining its resistance somewhere around here, right there. So like 0.75 or so. Hopefully it can maintain that and it can be bullish just like any other tokens that I am talking about. So next, let's go ahead and check out ApeCoin. This one, guys, did a very good rally when it started. See, from $1, it went as high as 28. See that? Okay, and then after that, went down just like any other like coin, you know, the pump and dump and so on. It went up, it went down somewhere around like 9, but from there, it pumped and then went down, but it went as high as 27 again, guys. And now it's at 14.92. It's a little bearish right now. See, a lot of people are selling their coins. But again, you know, when Bitcoin goes down, a lot of coins are also going down. But it does not mean that it's not gonna go back up again. You know, you just have to find that perfect timing in putting your investments into the tokens that you prefer. sure. But I would, again, strongly advise, guys, that you do your own research. And I'm not really telling you to like invest in the tokens that I will be talking about in this video, but let me know in the comment section below what tokens you are investing right now and how they are performing. We might also, consider checking them out and see, what potentials it could offer to the table as well. Okay, so hopefully somewhere around here, 14.6. See, it's gonna go pumping again. We're hoping, but I'm not saying that it's gonna happen. Let's go ahead and change that and see the 4-hour difference. Not changing this, but it is in the 4-hour already. This is 1 day. Change that to 4 hours. So that is how it looks like for the 4 hours. Right now, guys, if you know how to play the derivatives or Binance futures, that's also one good way of earning, even if the coins are crashing. Here, you will see that ApeCoin really did a lot of bullish trend. You will see there, it has higher highs. See, it went as high as 27.6, guys. It went down 14.9 currently, thinking that this is gonna go sideways, like a short consolidation somewhere around here, and then break out either bullishly or not sure if it's gonna go down again. But if Bitcoin goes up, it goes up with it. Okay, so go ahead and check that out as well. Okay, so next thing, let's go ahead and check out GMT. This token also, wow, look at this. See, 0.01, boom, 3.18, and then 4.18, and then went back down to 3.31. This is also one coin, guys, that I am checking, and this is also one coin that I am using for my Binance futures. So look at that. It went straight up right here. Really good pump from somewhere around 3.32 to as high as 3.9. That's in the span of 4 hours. See this? Wow. Went up and then went down, went up, down, and then it went straight up again. Now it's going down. So we can expect that hopefully in the next few days, it's gonna go do a consolidation, and then let's see if it's gonna go breaking out and pumping again soon. So this one, guys, is one thing that I would also strongly suggest that you check out, do your own research on, because this one really made a lot of money for a lot of people. See? So next is PLA. This is for PlayDapp, guys. It's a GameFi project. See, PlayDapp also did a very good pump somewhere around here. Too bad I wasn't able to invest during those times. It was when they rolled out a really good update on there along with the God's game. So from 0.8, it went straight up to 1.395 in a span of 4 hours. And then it went down a little bit. It pumped again, went down, and it went up again. But right now, guys, it's showing a bearish trend. It's going down. But again, it doesn't mean that this project is going down and it's going to close. This is a very legitimate project. And I don't know if you guys are also playing play-to-earn games, but a lot of projects in the play-to-earn or metaverse space, have been rug pulling a lot of people. That's why if you are going to check them out and if you're going to invest in games that are play to earn, I would strongly suggest that you go ahead and do your own research. And I would still strongly suggest that you guys focus on doing or getting your ROI first before rolling your money and reinvesting it in that specific game. But for this one, PlayDapp is a very legitimate game or game creator. They are a large company that also has a lot of games. They have play-to-earn games. They have casual games. Go ahead and check them out as well. I would strongly suggest that you check their tokens out. It's also a big factor in there along with the Gods game and their other games. They are implementing, I think they will still be launching other games just like Gale. I'm not sure if you're familiar with Gala games. If I would compare PlayDapp, it's sort of something like that. Gala is a game creator that developed a lot of games, a lot of play-to-earn games. PlayDapp is also something like that. So those are my top 5 high-potential crypto tokens. Go ahead and check them out, guys. Do your own research. Link will be in the description of the video. Just make sure that when you get into those websites, when you do your own research, you're avoiding any phishing sites. That way, you will not get robbed of your tokens. All right? If you find this video helpful, guys, please click that like and consider subscribing to get more more videos like this that would help you out in your cryptocurrency journey. All right, so that's all for now. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.